If you think you're too old to try something new, then think again. This group of seniors is taking kickboxing by storm. They're learning to punch, jab, and kick butt, all while helping their minds too. Kickboxing is now being used to fight dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease.
The patterning, the coordination involved of applying what they hear to actual body movement is what's really beneficial for them.
What makes their moves even more impressive is their age.
I'll be 90 in February.
I'm going to be 92 next month.
Learning how to throw a jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and kick has helped 86-year-old Mary Koenigshoff balance.
And that's what I need, a lot of work, is balance, so I don't fall.
For this group of young at hearts, this class does burn calories too.
This way I can eat lots of dessert too.
More than 60 years their junior, fitness instructor Patrick Spencer says that this class is a hit.
It's really, really rewarding. Every time they make an improvement here, it's a measurable increase in their quality of life.
The benefits abound, and there's nothing like seeing results to help put a little kick in their step.